Is it visible now?
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, you are you are configuring the enterprise structure in your system, right? In your system. What? This can be in this way also, the organizational structure. Okay, organization structure or enterprise structure in your system. So, which assignments are possible?
Assign multiple plants to company code was already dictated.
Okay, which assignments are possible? Assignment are possible. Three answers. Okay.
Hmm. Out of five or six, sir? Out of five, three should be correct.
Yeah. So A or one. Okay. Now, assign multiple plants to one company code. Write down this. Assign multiple plant to one company code. Okay. So similarly, point number two. Write down. Assign a plant to multiple sales organization. Assign a plant to multiple sales organization or distribution channel. Assign a plant to multiple sales organization and distribution channel. Okay. Assign a plant to multiple sales organization and distribution channels. Sorry, not and or distribution channels.
Yes.
Third, assign a shipping point to multiple plants. Assign a shipping point to multiple plants. Assign a shipping point to multiple plants. Okay, fourth. Third one done. Assign a shipping point to multiple plants. Fourth,
Yes, sir.
assign
Done.
assign
What?
What is
multiple.
second one?
Okay, okay. Sorry. What is the second one?
Second one. Yes.
Second one is assign a plant to multiple sales organization or distribution channels.
Un plan to
Assign a plant to multiple sales organization or distribution channels. Then third one, you can skip Sanju now. You can connect with others or you can drop a message there on chat box. You can. Okay. Okay. Fourth, assign multiple distribution channel to one company code. Assign multiple distribution channel to one company code. Assign multiple distribution channels to one company code.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Then another answer. Assign multiple loading points to plants. Assign multiple loading points to plants. Assign multiple loading points to plants. So sometimes you people will have this kind of multiple choice answers or questions. Okay, and similarly, you may have different questions directly where you need to give a answer directly. Okay, so assign multiple loading points to a plant. Another one, write down assign multiple divisions to one company code. 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 Assign multiple
Yes,
divisions
sir.
to one company code. So, who has completely written this thing? I mean, whatever I detected, 6 answers I have detected, right? So, who has completely noted
Sir, I
this?
have very
Okay, so can you just repeat the answers from the
not.
beginning? Sarup?
The question is you are yes, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, tell
Hello.
me, what is the first one?
You are configuring or
Okay.
assign multiple plans to one code first option.
Hmm.
And second option is assign a plan to multiple sales organization or distribution channel.
Okay.
Then third is assign a shipping point to multiple plants.
Okay.
Then fourth one is assign multiple distribution channel to one company code.
Okay.
Then fifth is assign multiple loading points to plant.
Mm-hmm.
Then assign multiple division to one company code.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, so guys, these are the 6 answers I have given. Okay, and based on the question, okay, you just try to figure out what is the correct answer out of these 6 points. Okay, so you need to tell me these things by tomorrow. Okay, and what I mean, you need to not only you need to tell me the correct answers, you need to prove me. I mean, you need to show me on in your system, okay, how it is happening. Okay, this is the task for tomorrow actually. Okay. Hmm. So this is fine. So okay, what is the then other questions also you can write down. Okay, this is the first question, for example. Okay, second question you can write down. What is the T code? What is the T code to start configuring system? What is the T code to start configuring system in SAP? Okay. Third question. What is the T code? What is the T code to see enterprise structure? Okay. Fourth question. What is the relationship between plant and company code? Okay. Plant, 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 plant and company code. Okay. Fine. This many questions is enough at this moment. Okay, fine. Yes. How many types of projects we do have in SAP? How many types of projects we have in SAP? Okay. So how many landscape we do have? What do you mean by landscape?
Layers.
Server.
There are three landscapes.
What are those?
Presentation layers.
Development server, quality server, production
Quality server
server.
and products.
Yeah. So landscape means servers only. Okay. How many landscapes
Yeah.
SAP is suggesting to purchase or purchase CHSC, right? And purchase. That's it. Okay. So okay, about layers, if I'll ask, then presentation. Okay, that one Chandra, I guess, was telling about layers, right? So that is the question will be
Yes.
how many layers we have, or what is RY3 architecture? Okay, what is RY3 architecture? The question, this is the question for that answer, Chandra. Okay.
Okay, sir. So now R by 3 architecture and S4HANA architecture are both different. The both
No,
are
no,
the
no, both
same.
same, both same only.
Both
Both
are the
same
same
only.
architecture.
Yes, yes, yes. So okay, and architecture. What is a three-tier architecture and what are those? Okay, what are those? So this many questions, at least whatever the question I'm writing down here, please try to note down. It will help you to recall or revise the things which we have covered so far. Okay. Now, okay, guys. So what is the okay? This question again. I will make it 10. Right. Make it 10. So what is the relationship between shipping point to plant? Okay, is there any relationship between shipping point and plant? Okay, no, no, sorry, no, 9. How? Okay, can we you where should we use? Where should we execute the SAP T codes? Tell me this one. Anyone can say? Anyone, please? Where should we execute the SAP T codes? That is on a easy access screen, right? SAP easy access screen. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So this is SAP T codes. We can execute there. At easy access screen level only. Okay.
Okay.
And what is the between /n and slash o, right? So everyone knows this, right?
Yes.
So this kind of sheet will prepare. This will help actually. Okay, fine. So 10 questions we have finalized so far. Let's see if any other questions, if I can figure out later. Okay. There are other questions, no doubt, but yeah, at this moment, these are little, important. Okay, so sometimes see, sometimes when you are attending the interview, interviewer may ask you how many, how many sales organization, sales organization you you people had your implementation project. Okay, this question is specifically for those who are going to, show themselves that they are experienced. Okay, so how many sales organization you people had in your implementation project? Okay, there are so many questions. What is the difference between SAP and database? Okay, fine, guys. Okay, let me explain something today. We have lost actually available time. Let's discuss few things for today, and tomorrow again. Tomorrow we'll connect with system again, and we'll continue with the system. Okay. So shipping point, storage locations, all those things you have noted down, right? So now let's understand what is master data. We'll start from this master data. Okay. Master data. Okay, master data. So everyone, please write down. It is a data which is stored centrally. Master data. It is a data which stores centrally.
Yes, sir.
It is a data which stores centrally, right? Okay, centrally and used in day to day transactions. Transactions whenever it is required. Okay, it is a data which stores centrally and used in day-to-day transactions whenever it is required. Okay, it is a data. Okay, this master data cannot be changed frequently. This master data cannot be changed frequently. Okay, that's why it is called master. Okay, what are the advantages we do have here? Advantages. Okay, first advantage will be, see, um, it will save the time of end user. Okay, it will save the time of end users. Second can be, it will avoid manual mistakes, right? It will avoid if somewhere you are finding some kind of spelling mistake, you can assume that is a typo error, and you can manage by your own. Okay, so third can be It will save the time of end users, it will avoid manual mistakes. Okay, yeah, these two are sufficient. Okay, fine. So types of master data in SAP SD. Types of master data in SAP. Types of master data in SAP. Okay. Okay. So types of master data in SAP. So we have four types. Okay. One is customer master. Second one is material master. Third one is customer material info record. We'll understand one by one. Okay. Then condition master. Okay. So these are the four types of master data we generally use in SAP. Okay, and the advantages of these master data are it helps us to save the time, or it helps end user or business to save the time of the end users. It also helps to avoid the manual mistakes and all. Okay, so these are two major advantages we do have here in master data. Okay, so let's understand customer master. Customer master. So customer master, write down everyone, please. Customer master. Hello, Sarup.
Yes.
Everyone else,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Yeah, write down what is customer master. So customer master is, otherwise start with this. It is customer master, underline and write down now. It is the data of the customer. It is the data of the customer. It is the data of the customer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is the data of the customer which is stored centrally. Which is stored centrally
Yes, sir.
and used in day-to-day transactions whenever it is required. It is the data of the customer master which stores centrally and used in day-to-day transactions. Okay, whenever it is required. So what are those? For example, customer name. You can mention there also. Customer name, customer's address, its bank, customer's bank details, customer's communication details, terms and conditions, terms and conditions, etc. Okay, so what is customer master? It is the data of the customer which we store centrally, or which will be stored centrally in SAP database, and will be used. Not see, it's not about SAP only here, as we are in SAP, that's why I'm saying SAP. Okay, otherwise it is a in general master data. Okay, so customer master, it is the data of the customer which is stored centrally and used in day to day transactions whenever it is required. Okay, so for example, customer's name, customer's address, customer's bank details, card details, communication details, right? Terms and other conditions if we do have for that particular customer. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now next jump to the material master. Material master. So what is material master? Material master is the data of the product. Material master is the data of the product. Okay, material master is the data of the product, which is stored centrally or which will be stored centrally, which stores centrally you can mention. Okay, and used in day-to-day transactions whenever it is required. Whenever it is required. The specification, see what does it mean? The specification of the products. Okay, material master means example you can mention the specifications of the
So
product.
centrally उसके बाद
Sorry,
we store centrally.
which stores centrally and used in day-to-day transactions. It is the
Yes,
data
sir.
of the product which is stores centrally and used in day-to-day transaction whenever it is required. For example, you can mention the specifications of the product. Okay, then customer material info record. Customer material info record. What is it? What is this? Customer material info record. Underline this CMIR. In bracket, you can mention CMIR also, because in going further, you might be you know sometimes people will suddenly say CMIR. What is CMIR?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Products.
so we use CMIR. Write down this. We use CMIR if customers are placing orders. We use CMIR. We
If
use
customer,
if customers. We use CMIR if customers are placing orders. If customers are placing orders with their own material codes. If customers are placing orders with their own material codes. Okay. We use CMIR if customers are placing orders with their own material codes. By using CMIR, second point, by using CMIR, we will assign our material code with customer's material code. By using CMIR functionality, you can mention also. By using CMIR, we will assign our material code with customer's material code. Okay, just to understand here, why we are assigning our material code with customer material code?
The second point दोबारा बोलिए.
By using CMIR, second point, by using CMIR, we will assign our material code with customer's material code. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. While creating, third point, while creating sales order, while creating sales orders,
Yes, sir.
if user enters customer material code, while creating sales orders, if user enters customer material code, customer's material code, okay, while creating sales order, if user enter entered if user entered customer's material code, customer material code, then system automatically determines our material code. System automatically determine our material code. While creating sales order, if user enters customer material code, then system will automatically determine our material code. Okay. CMIR. Done. Third point,
Yes, sir. Done.
third point repeating again. While creating sales order, if user enters customer material code, then system will automatically determine our material code. Okay. Now
Yes.
fourth one, condition master. Condition master. What is condition master? It is the data of the price. It is the data of the price. It is the data
Data
of
of
the
the
price.
price.
Yeah, data of the price, PRICE. It is the data of the price
Yes, sir.
which stores centrally. It is the data of the price which stores centrally and used in day-to-day transaction and used in day-to-day transactions whenever it is required. So basically condition master is nothing but the data of the price. Okay. So it is the data of the price which is stored centrally and used in day-to-day transactions whenever it is required. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in ECC, okay, ECC, T code for this customer master is XD01 to create. This is to create customer. XD02 is for change. XD03 is for display. Okay. What does it mean? ECC means system. ECC system. Okay. In ECC system, if you are executing, these are T codes. Okay. If you are executing XD01, then system will ask you to create, or system will give the screen to create the customer, new customer. Okay. For example, you have already created a customer with name, the code 10001 maybe. Okay. Now you found some mistakes in that master data. Now you want to rectify that. So in that case, you need to go to this XD02 transaction and put this customer code again and go inside and do the changes whatever is needed. Okay. For example, you just want to see the customer only, created customer, nothing else you want. Okay. That you can see here in this XD0T transaction. Okay. So this is for ECC system I am talking. Okay. At the same time, if I'll say about SAP S4, SAP S4 HANA system. Okay. HANA system, then the T code is BP. But the T code is BP. Okay. Clear? Anyone have any doubt?
Yeah, in ECC we have three T code, like to create XD01, to change XD02, and to display XD03. But
Right.
in S4HANA you say one
Only one
BP.
T code, BP. BP only. We will have options here. These three options also you will find here, but the T code will remain same only, BP only. But there you will find some kind of symbol where you can click and the screen will convert to a change view and will convert to a creation view, will convert to a display view.
Yeah.
Okay, but here in ECC you have different T codes to go to there. But within the screen also you do have the options to go to this creation mode, change mode, and display mode. But it is it's not like as for HANA. In as for HANA you can have only single T code. Okay.
Okay.
And this one I am talking about this customer master at this moment. Okay. Don't focus on all other things now. So what we have discussed about the master data, we discussed about the advantages, we discussed about the types of master data we have here in SAP at this moment, right? And what are those? Customer master, material info record, Okay, then condition master. So condition master is nothing but the pricing related master, right? So yes, someone was telling something. Anyone have any question or anything to discuss? Seems no. Okay. So in ECC system, we have three different T codes to create the customer code, to do the modifications in that customer created customer code, and to display the customer code. Okay. So similarly, if we will go to this SAP S4HANA system, then we will have this BP transactions code only. Okay. BPT codes only. Okay. Hello everyone. Just confirm me if
Yes.
you are
Yes.
able to.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, fine. So, okay, for today this is enough. Okay, we'll again connect tomorrow at the same time, 8 o'clock. But one request to each and everyone, please try to join, at least not here. If I have not shared the link by that, I mean by 8 o'clock, at least try to be present there on the WhatsApp group. Okay, as soon as I'll share the link, guys immediately join there. But prior to, I mean, before 8 o'clock, everyone needs to be present there at least on WhatsApp group, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that accordingly we
Okay.
can, able to manage at least every day. If we will focus 1 hour, concentrate, very carefully, then the course will be complete very soon. Otherwise, unnecessarily, it will be very lengthier. It will take much time unnecessarily. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Great. Fine. Thanks everyone.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, can we change or modify in जो short description
Mm-hmm.
in customer request?
Customer request, customer master.
Yes, no, customization request while creating or
Customization. Okay.
defining.
Yes, you can do that. For example, you are saying you are creating a company code and you have given a wrong name of that company code and you want to modify that one, right?
No, sir. There is a customization request screen, and
Right.
there is a short description points
Short
actually.
description point. Can you share your screen and show me, Satya?
Okay, sir. I will share you
Otherwise, get
right now.
ready for tomorrow. Okay. So for once we'll join tomorrow,